recorded a lot of them.
Huh? Have you recorded a lot? Wow. Let's go, Adele. Let's go to the playground. Hold your car now.
He eats well.
Did you feed him?
Yes.
Oh, wait a moment, baby. Wait a moment. I
He
cannot
had
hold it.
enjoy.
Can we go over here, Adele? Go up.
Oh.
There's also here. Oh, look. What are these? They're also deer. Ah, someone is sleeping there. Oh, in its pen. Did you count how many of them are there?
No, but there are more.
Hmm. I think they are not wild. See? I think they're eating. Let's go. We're going to the playground. Oh, there is still there. Wow. It looks like these are hills, Adele. Isn't it?
It looks like this is the mountain and this is
I think you are hot, Adele. Can you take off your jacket?
No, it's okay.
Take off your jacket if you want. Do you know can you see the solar panels over there? They're down over there.
It doesn't look.
We are here at Dream Forest. Woo. Let's go down. Ooh. Adele, can we go to the playground now? Adele, let's go to the playground. Not here. Oh, be careful, it might fall down. Ooh. Oh, let's go. Let's go over there, Adele. Let's go down. Come on, let's follow the car. Let's follow the car. Oh, it might go down.
No, it's okay.
Don't drop it. Oh, it's gonna fall down. Oh. Look, let's go. Let's go there, Adele. Let's follow. Quick. You follow here. Are you scared? Are you scared, Adele? It's coming. Oh, careful, careful.
포켓몬 만지지 말고 공부만 하는 거야, 저기로. 나 오빠가 지금 조종하고 있어. 만지지 말고.
Oh, baby, my fall down. Oh. I think it doesn't come. It doesn't go up, Adele. Oops. Woo.
야, 뒤로 와. 뒤로 와, 뒤로. 뒤로 와봐, 뒤로. 뒤로.
Nahabol siya ng bata.
야, 서원아.
My God! You go and take it,
위험해.
Adel.
아니야, 내려가지 마. 이쪽으로.
Take it.
서원아, 잠깐만. 저거 오빠 거니까 발로 차면 안 돼? 만지지면 안 돼? 눈으로만 봐?
네.
Oh my God!
이게 비켜. 너무 많이 갔다 여기. 야, 지나요.
Adel, can we go to the playground? Gusto ko magyabang ang anak ko. Ando naman yun ba? Ang bata naglalaro. Ay! Hinulog na naman. Anak ko talaga. Oh. Gusto kasing ipagyabang yung yung sasakyan niya, guys. Ayaw niyang umalis dito kasi maraming bata. Nahulog na.
오빠한테 미안하다고 사과해. 발로 차면 안 돼?
Nagsorry yung bata. Ito nga ako po. Ay, nakapagod, guys. Hindi ko mahabol kasi yung anak ko naglalaro mag-isa. Upo muna ako dito. Ganda ng araw ngayon. Tapos na ang winter. Andun ang anak ko. Oh my God. Buhangin yan. That's sand, baby. Don't play in the sand. Gusto makipaglaro sa bata. Anak ko talaga. Oh, careful, Adel, careful. Wow! It cannot come out, Adel. Let's go. First time namin lumabas after how many months? November, December, July. 3 months, guys. Winter. Gusto makipaglaro talaga sa mga bata. Hindi sila maglalaro. Gusto kasi ng anak ko makipaglaro sa mga bata. Nag-iisa lang kasi siya pag nasa bahay. Adele, you might fall down. Oh, papapapap. Nahulog na naman. Oh, careful, Adele. Tinakbo na ng bata yung car. Ay, nahulog. Ay, kinuha ng tatay niya. Mahirap kasi i-video yung mga bata dito kasi very strict ang anti-data law dito, guys. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-video lang kung sino-sino dito pag walang yun, permission sa taong gusto mong i-video. Kahit nasa public kang ganyan. Kahit nasa public kang places, guys, hindi pwedeng mag-video ka na lang ng mag-video. Kasi very strict ang anti-data law or like very strict ang nila dito, guys. Ang patakaran dito sa South Korea. Hindi kagaya sa atin na pwedeng mag-video kahit saan. Adele! Come on! Gusto pa niyang maglaro. Mag-aalas 5 na. Ang ganda ng araw, guys. Yan yung mga apartment dito. Yan. Oh! May dyan. Bagong construct lang ito, guys. Siguro kinonstruct nila nung winter. Grabe ang construction dito. Kaya magtataka ka na lang after how many months Iba na yung nakikita mo. Let's go, Adele. Let's go. Come on. Say bye-bye, Adele. Say bye-bye. Come on.